You're not lazy. You're just overwhelmed as a mom. If you're a mother and you've ever called yourself lazy, let's talk. Many mothers feel unmotivated. They feel stuck and tired. And they start believing that something is wrong with them. In my perspective, nothing is wrong with you. You're just overwhelmed and exhausted. That's why I encourage you to take a step back. Let us learn to delegate. At times, mothers, we are hands-on, but we forget that at times you just need a break to breathe. For me, when I sense that I'm going to start snapping, it's a sign that I'm tired. So I need to step away. Luckily enough, at times my husband can stay with the girls, or even they can go somewhere else for a drive, for a walk. So that gives me some time for myself. I can give an example of a phone. We all have mobile phones, and you can tell that your phone is running out of battery. Before it starts to warn you, you rush it into the charging system. So that's how we should look at ourselves as mothers. Know when you're almost starting to feel a certain way, and which way you don't want other people to experience that feeling. So step away. If you have someone to help you out at that moment, you can go somewhere for a few minutes, for an hour. And the beauty about it that these days there are different activities one can go and engage in to relax just your mind. You know, there is meditation, there is painting, gardening, taking walks in nature. That used to help me so much. Having coffee with your girlfriends, so that when you come back home, you're ready again to run it to your best capacity ever. And everyone will be happy to see you home, to have you back. And the truth is, you'll be more relaxed. You'll be feeling more fresh. So remember that you carry so many responsibilities and so many tasks. You run your home, you manage your decisions, you manage finances. And some mothers have businesses within homes, and others, they have them out of home. So let us not wait to break down before we think of ourselves. Let us learn to pat ourselves at the back and you say, good job, well done for today. We shouldn't always wait for other people to appreciate us. We need to learn to appreciate ourselves. So when motivation disappears, it's not because you're weak. It's because your energy is drained. So instead of labeling ourselves all sort of negative things, ask yourself, what extra baggage am I carrying? The moment you find out your why, learn to give yourself more grace. Learn to be kind to yourself. We need to learn to be patient as well to ourselves. It cannot just happen in a day. Progress takes time. But the most important thing, that you've taken a step. You're heading in the good direction. And remember that before you became somebody's mother, before you became someone's wife, you had your own dreams, you had your own interests. So always let us have that at the back of our mind. So if this has hit home, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. From my home to yours. Bye.